Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I bring another interesting video about low-calorie desserts, their advantages, ingredients, and how to make these desserts. But before we start our video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share, and comment. Now let's begin our video. While attempting to keep a solid eating regimen or get more fit, sweets can be a significant hindrance. Nonetheless, there are a lot of flavorful low-calorie dessert choices that permit you to fulfill your sweet tooth without wrecking your smart dieting objectives. The following are 10 low-calorie sweets, their advantages, fixings, and planning processes. Number 1. Greek yogurt with berries. Benefits. High in protein and probiotics, Greek yogurt further improves absorption and keeps you full longer. Berries add fiber, nutrients, and cancer prevention agents, helping overall well-being. Ingredients. 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt, half a cup of blended berries like strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries, and 1 teaspoon honey or a couple of drops of stevia, which is optional. Arrangements. Scoop Greek yogurt into a bowl, top with blended berries. Sprinkle honey or stevia for added pleasantness whenever desired. Number 2. Frozen banana nibbles. Benefits. Bananas are plentiful in potassium and nutrients, and freezing them gives a fantastic rich texture that imitates frozen yogurt, without added sugar or fat. Ingredients. 2 ripe bananas, half a cup of dark chocolate chips, which is optional, and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, also optional. Arrangements. Cut bananas into bite-sized pieces. Whenever desired, melt dark chocolate chips with coconut oil in a microwave. Dip banana pieces in melted chocolate or enjoy them plain. Put on a material-lined plate and freeze for at least 2 hours. Next up, we have chia seed pudding. Chia seeds are high in fiber, omega-3 unsaturated fats, and protein, making them astounding for processing and heart well-being. For this recipe, you will need 3 tablespoons of chia seeds, 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla concentrate, and sugar to taste, whether that's honey, maple syrup, or stevia. To prepare, blend the chia seeds with almond milk and vanilla. Concentrate in a bowl. Mix well to forestall amassing. Then refrigerate for somewhere around 4 hours or even overnight until it thickens. Improve as wanted prior to serving. Now let's move on to baked apple with cinnamon. Apples are an extraordinary wellspring of fiber and L-ascorbic acid, while cinnamon directs glucose levels. You'll need 1 medium apple, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon of honey or maple syrup if you like. First, preheat the stove to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, or 175 degrees Celsius. Center the apple and place it in a baking dish. Sprinkle with cinnamon and, if desired, drizzle with honey or maple syrup. Prepare for 20 to 25 minutes until delicate. Finally, we have cottage cheese with pineapple. Cottage cheese is wealthy in protein and low in fat, making it a filling yet light sweet. Pineapple adds pleasantness and gives stomach digestive catalysts. For this, you'll need 1 cup of low-fat cottage cheese and half a cup of fresh or canned pineapple lumps. Simply blend the cottage cheese and pineapple in a bowl and serve chilled. Alright, next up we have our pumpkin spice smoothie. Pumpkin is low in calories and high in fiber, nutrients, and antioxidants, especially beta-carotene, which supports eye health. For this smoothie, you'll need half a cup of canned pumpkin, 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk, 1 frozen banana, 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, and sugar to taste. You can use honey, maple syrup, or stevia. To prepare, just blend all the ingredients until smooth. Adjust the sweetness to your liking and serve immediately. It's that simple. Now let's dive into our avocado chocolate mousse. Avocados are packed with healthy fats and fiber, while cocoa powder is rich in antioxidants. This dessert is rich and satisfying without the guilt. For this recipe, you'll need 1 ripe avocado, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of honey or maple syrup, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. First, scoop the avocado into a blender. Then add the cocoa powder, honey, and vanilla extract. Blend until smooth and creamy. Chill before serving and enjoy this guilt-free indulgence. 8. Heated pears with almonds. Pears give fiber and L-ascorbic acid, while almonds add a portion of solid fats and protein. Ingredients: 2 pears divided and cored, 2 tablespoons slashed almonds, 1 teaspoon honey or maple syrup, 1 teaspoon cinnamon. Arrangements: 1. Preheat the broiler to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. 2. Place pear parts in a baking dish. 3. Sprinkle with almonds, cinnamon, and shower with honey. 4. Heat for 20 to 25 minutes until delicate. 9. Organic product salad with mint. A reviving and hydrating pastry, organic product salad is loaded with nutrients, cell reinforcements, and fiber. Ingredients: 1 cup blended organic products like watermelon, strawberries, kiwi, grapes, 1 tablespoon/new mint, 1 teaspoon lime juice arrangements. 1. Throw blended organic products in with slashed mint in a huge bowl. 2. Sprinkle with lime juice and blend well. 3. Serve chilled. 10. Yogurt parfait with granola. This sweet joins protein-rich yogurt with fiber-pressed granola and new natural products, offering a fair and fulfilling treat. Ingredients: 1 cup plain Greek yogurt, 1/4 cup low-fat granola, 1/2 cup new berries, 1 teaspoon honey or maple syrup. Discretionary arrangements: 1. Layer yogurt, granola, and berries in a glass or bowl. 2. Shower with honey or syrup whenever wanted. 3. Rehash layers and serve right away. These low-calorie sweets offer a scope of medical advantages without forfeiting flavor. They're not difficult to get ready, utilizing basic fixings that are many times tracked down in your kitchen. Integrate these pastries into your eating routine to appreciate pleasantness while keeping focused with your well-being objectives. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you people like this video. See you soon with another informative health topic. Till then, stay healthy.